Hey, what's going on? Garrett Berry here from my10ksystem.com. Now, chances are you're watching this video because you're doing your research on a website called RewardsFeed.net. Maybe you saw someone post about this on YouTube or on Facebook that they claim to make a lot of money very easily with this. And you're really smart enough to do your research on, is this legit? Can you actually make money? Or is this another scam that is just there to rip you off? Well, you're in the right place because I've actually been reviewing sites like this for over 5 years now, and I'm going to share with you exactly what you need to know. So by the end of the video, you can walk away confidently knowing whether you want to do this or stay clear. Now, I'm on the website right now, and it says, first off, this big headline, earn money with your phone at home. It says it's the #1 social earning network, and you can earn just by doing, simple tasks, inviting your friends, and that's how you can make money. Right now, it also says you can claim a free $25, okay, just by actually joining. Now, if you look at these pictures right here, it looks, pretty enticing, right? It looks like, oh, you can, there's real people making money and things like that. And if you go to the About Us section, okay, you can also see where it's claiming you can complete tasks. But here's what you want to understand, okay? If you go down here, the first red flags is it says that, okay, we've paid our members $46 million, okay, from the time of them creating this website. But if you do a little research and you actually take RewardsFeed.net and you put into a website that I love called who.is, it actually reverse engineers. It looks up when that domain, that website was actually purchased. And you can see right here that it was actually registered on May 20th, 2020. Okay, so less than a year ago. So they're basically claiming that in less than a year, they paid over $46 million out. Okay, so already that's total bogus. Okay, but I want to, you want to stick with me a little bit more because you can learn how to avoid other things that aren't legit by learning what I look for on here. You can also see down here, if I go here, they have like what other people are supposedly saying. Ava, right? I made over $600 by completing tasks. But if you right click here, you go search Google for image and you look up that person's image, okay, supposedly an Ava who's made money with this, you're going to see that you can actually see this woman's picture, okay, which is just a model, right? She's just a woman that, does like modeling and things like that as far as for magazines and things. They've just taken her picture, okay, and a lot of these sites have used this random person's picture. So this isn't actually a woman named Ava, and she didn't actually use this site to generate money. So this is fake. Okay, so what else is fake, right? The 46 million is obviously fake. This testimonial is fake. So obviously, the claim your free $25 is going to be fake, and the entire thing is going to be fake. And I want to share with you just one other thing. If you go to a website called Trustpilot, this website's been around for many, many years, and they always have real reviews of people that have used these sites. You can see RewardsFeed.net. Okay, overwhelmingly 73% have rated it bad. Now, the people that rate it excellent usually are people that have created the website. Okay, so they'll skew the results, but you can see that overwhelmingly it's bad. If I could rate less, I would. 1 star. I got all tasks done, all referrals, and they wouldn't verify my last 3 referrals. It's a scam. Okay, another person, 1 star. I can only complete, not helpful. Let's sue them. Absolutely scam. Okay, so you can see that this site is an absolute fake site. But before you get going, I want to share with you a real working way to make money that's easy and simple. Because I was just like you about 5 years ago or so. I was working at a job. You may be working at a job right now, and you're just doing your research to find a legit method. I remember watching these YouTube videos, getting so frustrated, not finding a real working method. So what I want to invite you to do is check out my website. I have a link directly under this YouTube video. When you click that link, you get taken to my website where you can put your best email in, and I'll send you a free video overview on my #1 way to make money online. Now, this method will work for you if you're brand new online, if you've struggled maybe for a very long time. It's going to work if you're working a job, maybe 2 jobs, and you have a family, you don't have a lot of extra time. It's going to work in about 30 to 60 minutes a day, that method, so you can start to produce real income. You'll see testimonials, you'll see results from people that you can actually look up, real people. And I've actually made money for many months with that method as well. And you can see with this YouTube channel that I've been around for a long time. I have real testimonials from my students and other people. And I'm motivated to shoot these videos because, again, I struggled for a very long time online. I told myself if I ever found a working method, I would share it with people. So that's why I'm shooting this video. So again, stay clear from RewardsFeed. Don't waste your time. It's a scam. It's not legit. But if you're looking for a real way, go down below. Doesn't hurt to take a look. Check out that free video. And if you like it, take action. And we can even work together possibly. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next review.